health, wealth, relationships, and your spiritual practice. These four things combined are what help you attain the lifestyle and the goals you desire. In my coaching program, we're going to go over these four areas of your life extensively and develop a plan together to help you go after every goal, dream, and result that you desire in these areas. Together, we're going to do an intake process and go over each of these areas in extensive detail, take personality profile tests, use the latest techniques in coaching and neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, as well as use tools in artificial intelligence to take all this data and to be able to come up with an action plan and take action steps that are custom tailored to your specific needs, your specific goals. If you're interested in this type of service, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one to become the best version of yourself, then I invite you to explore this program through a discovery call with me. I hope to see you on the inside, and I hope to speak to you soon.